Okay, so I'm trying to see whether this thing is going to work. And so what we're planning to do is to put some silicone to the front of that motor. And since this is stuck, we'll just remove this endpoint and then put it there, since it's just can't work right now. Can't work. So let me clamp it. Okay, so I have just removed it and it's quite a lot. So I'm going to just work with what we have. I'll also just put it here. So this comes in that, right? So I think that might be an easier option. I'll just pick, it's quite hard. Just pick it, try and put it inside like so. Hopefully that's thick enough. Then probably just put some also around it. Like so. Okay, I think that's good enough. So now just put this inside. Okay, let me just leave it there for now as I take care of the silicone. Okay, so now I'll just use my own hands to just put it in, so that you're able to view. I'll just what's happening? Oh man, I think these things had some friction, that's why they are not moving. Just yeah, it looks really bruised. So and also upon investigation, and the inside bits were also not smooth. It's quite bruised and on the inside. So maybe that's why it wasn't working. So what I'll do is I'll try to put it back in, but force it to at least get into the maximum. It's not bulging. It doesn't want to get in. Okay, so let's just see whether this will work. If we do this, still not working. Okay, so what do we do? It doesn't want anything. Oh, okay, that's that. I think it's okay now. It's bendy, but hopefully it works and doesn't scratch this. Then what one stays here. Then this is just a rubber band of some sort that we'll just put on top of it like so, and then fit it in there. Let's angle it like so, and then I will just close it. It has 8 screws. So 1, 2, 3,